What are you doing, DJ?
Hot dog! We want a hot dog!
A hot dog?
Yeah.
I thought we were doing Solana.
I'm not.
Don't let the cats out. Lindsay, come talk to me. I want you to sing your song.
What song?
Look at this stuff.
Look at the stuff in me. We do my collection's complete. What do you think I'm the girl? The girl who has everything.
All right, show me your model walk.
Look at the treasures in town. How many wonders could one ever have? Look in the glass and you think, sure.
Smile at the camera.
He's got everything. Good daddy and good mother.
Let's go see what the boys are doing.
How about we use a cleaner?
Let's show our spoils of war.
Here's that. Tell them we need paper towels. This is the way we go to eat, go to eat, go to eat. This is the way we go to eat early in
Yours
the
is right here,
morning.
DJ.
Please.
Do you have a song, Uncle Ed?
Do I have a song? I have a song. For the meat and for the bread, we put it on the plate for we can something
go dead.
I'm trying to get something that'll rhyme with beer. Something's got to.
So lend me your ear, because we're going to have a beer
How about
while we run
we're
away
gonna
from
have
the
beer
rear.
just right here.
Beer just right here. That's it, right there. That's good.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh, there's a big storm coming. Got to get our food cooked before it's... Look at that big cloud.
Oh, you know what? We're supposed to have sliced tomatoes down here, too.
Here, Lindsay, this is yours. Look, this is a perfect hot dog bun. Look at that. Okay?
You see how
Hold on.
perfectly this
Wait
is
for
set?
Dad.
It's perfect.
Perfect. This
Wait
is
for me. Mike, really wait, not Mike, you pretend wait.
No, that's not what Daddy said.
Here, Lindsay, you come over here. You can sit right here on the ground.
This is bendy, but we need a little chair or something.
There's some chairs over here, but your mom said they had rat poop on them or something. I'll bring them though.